Looking for the right vehicle? Today could be your lucky day. This vehicle is equipped with great options, and it could be yours. Contact the dealer today, request more information, and set up a test drive right away. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power lift gate, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, traction control, electronic stability control. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.